We're gonna saute for 2 minutes. I have here the pumpkin puree. Now open the and here I have the black beans. I showed you the black beans, organic. So I'm gonna add the garlic, black pepper, paprika, and cumin. Teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of ground paprika, pepper, just a little bit. And so mixing well. Let the flavors mix. I forgot to tell you that we need 1 can, about 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. We'll just put them on in the pot. We're also gonna put in the tomato can. The tomatoes are kind of chunky. And the puree of pumpkin. And 2 cups of broth. We stir in a little bit. It looks promising. It's gonna be a thick soup. I only put a teaspoon of salt. I think I'm gonna like more. I'm adding more salt. Okay, you know, we put the lid on. We choose the pressure cook and pressure level high, and the time is 8 minutes. 8 minutes will be done. Okay, now I think now it's safe to open the lid. Wow! Wow, it looks nice. Well, the soup looks good. It looks like in the picture. I really like it.